Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 5 cent coins ng Canada. Mayroong taon na 2009 na si Queen Elizabeth II ang kanyang obverse at ang Beaver naman ang kanyang reverse. So meron tayong nakuhang mga impormasyon guys dito sa ating gray sheet catalog details and information about 5 cents of Canada. Sa 5 cents na ito guys ng Canada. The gray sheet catalog or GSID of the 5 cent nickel series of Canada and the world coins contains one distinct entries with CPG values between 0.20 and 13.50 dollars. And Canadian nickel 5 cents have been in circulation since 1922 and have undergone several design and composition changes over the years, making them popular among the collectors. The first nickel 5 cent coins feature a beaver, at ito yon guys, ang beaver on the reverse side, which has since become an iconic Canadian symbol. The obverse naman side has also featured different images of the Queen Elizabeth II over the years. The composition has changed several times as well. With coins made of nickel, copper and zinc, collectors may choose to collect by year, design or composition, and the value of the coins can vary depending on their rarity and condition. Overall, Canada nickel 5 cent are fascinating items for collectors to explore. So the 5 cent coins that selling for thousands guys ay a humble 5 cent coins printed with an effigy of Queen Elizabeth II on both sides called earn its lucky owner thousands of dollars. The double header was minted accidentally in 2007 and is considered rare and valuable among numismatists. Very hard to come across because the mint phrases are so stringent now. To find error coins in this day and age is incredible. The history of monies, Joel Candiacid, and a video posted to social media. One of these coins sold on eBay for $1,900 US in July 2023. Another listed for $4,999 US but remain unsold. So guys, ito yung 5 cents natin guys na si Queen Elizabeth II ang fourth portrait with RCM logo. Magnetic ito guys. Ito yung features natin guys sa ating 5 cents na si Queen Elizabeth II na fourth portrait with RCM logo na magnetic. Ang features nito guys is Canada. At Queen Elizabeth II from 1952 hanggang 2022 kasi nag-pass away siya noong 2022. May type siya na standard circulation coin, may year na 2006 hanggang 2022. Value naman ito guys ay 5 cent. Mayroong 2 pesos and 15 centavos sa atin sa Pilipinas. Currency naman dollar, 1858 ang kanyang date. Ang composition nito guys ay nickel plated steel, kaya magnetic siya kasi may plated steel siya. At ang timbang naman nito guys ay 3.95 grams. Diameter 21.10 mm. Ang thickness 1.75 mm. Shape naman ay round, technique ay mild, orientation middle alignment. Number naman ay number 395, at reference number KM number 491 and KM number 2292. May show number naman ay 519A. At ito yung obverse natin guys, ang head of Queen Elizabeth II as the 77 years of age. Bareheaded, wearing necklace and earrings, facing right. Script naman ito ay Latin. Lettering Elizabeth II, Dei Regina SB. Andres Legend Elizabeth II, De Gratia Regina. Translation Elizabeth II, Queen by the grace of God. At At ang engraver naman dito guys ay si Susan Taylor. Designer naman si Susana Bland. At ito naman ang reverse side natin guys. A beaver over the inscription Canada surrounded with the face value flank on both sides by a maple leaf. Meron siyang script na Latin, lettering naman 5 cents Canada 2009 kg. Sa engraver si Thomas Shingles. Designer si George Krager Gray at ang kanyang edge ay smooth. Ang mint naman ito guys ay Royal Canadian Mint of Ottawa, Canada, 1908 ang kanyang date. Royal Canadian Mint of Winnipeg, Canada, 1976 naman ang date. Comments, mintage included with the circulation coin from 2009, 35% sa kanyang out of 266,448,000 examples or kanyang mintages. Meron siyang very fine na 6 pesos guys. Ganon din sa extra fine 6 pesos. About uncirculated 9 pesos and 50 centavos. Uncirculated is 22 pesos. Meron tayong 2009 guys nga biyo 0.01%. Walang price guys. Ang specimen naman ito guys 2009 ay 0.13%. Wala din siyang price. At ang kanyang uncirculated 0% ating uncirculated. So guys, EB naman guys ay naka-display ito ng 12.93 US dollars. So sa atin nagkakalaga lang ng 762 pesos and 87 centavos. So napaka-taas na rin guys dahil sa 5 cents coins na ito guys. So kung pagagraduhan natin guys ang ating katulad nitong mga barya na hinawakan guys, mataas-taas ang pwede nating ilagay na price. So yun guys, nakuha nating impormasyon tungkol dito sa ating 5 cent coins guys ng Canada. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.